You're probably busy and don't have a lot of time to waste on things that won't make you money. I totally get it. That's why I'm excited to let you know about a course that can help you make real money online without having to invest any of your own money. The no-cost digital marketing course will teach you how to start selling digital products like ebooks, courses, software, and more. You'll also learn the latest strategies for driving traffic and making sales. Plus, you get access to mega sets of amazing bonuses worth over $1,000. Keep 100% of the profits to yourself. You will find the link in the description. In today's world, digital marketing is an essential part of growing a business. However, not all businesses have the budget to invest in expensive marketing campaigns. That's where no-cost digital marketing comes in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, it really helps my channel. No-cost digital marketing refers to marketing techniques that don't require a financial investment. This means that businesses of all sizes can take advantage of these strategies to grow their online presence and reach potential customers. One of the most effective no-cost digital marketing techniques is search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO involves optimizing your website and its content to rank higher in search engine results pages. This can be done by including relevant keywords in your website's content, optimizing your website's structure and navigation, and building high-quality backlinks to your site. Another no-cost digital marketing technique is content marketing. This involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. This can be done through blog posts, articles, videos,